Yes.
Yeah. Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are still in Singapore and we're going to do our brick break number one for EC HeroClix Masters of Time. Larry, say hi. Okay, guys, please mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Lang. Let's mute people. Okay, so for this particular brick break, we're going to be assisted by Larry as the official brick breaker of Pinoy HeroClix, and Anton will help us in terms of randomizing our list. Okay, so you can see here in the screen right now the 8 participants. Jasper, who's the 8 participants? Jasper,
Nino.
Nino, Onin, Chito, Larry, Joseph, Pete, and Errol. So we're gonna shuffle it, and then the super booster, as mentioned in the solicit, we'll randomize it, and the top 5 from 1 to 5, that will be the order of the draft for the super booster items, the contents, and the legacy card. It's so 5 items: 1 dinosaur, 2 regular, 1 team up card, and the legacy card. Okay, so without further ado, Anton, can you help us randomize how many times the list?
Sige, rolling the dice now. 7.
7.
No. Yeah, 7.
7,
Sige,
7.
hold
Okay.
on.
So the 1 to 4 will be the back row, left to right. 5 to 8 will be the front row, left to right. Okay, this is Larry's team.
Okay, wala naman sila doon.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, and this is number 7.
Number 7, please take note of your order. 1, 2, Jasper, 3, Pete, Larry, 4, Onin, 5, Errol, 6, 7, Chito, 8, Joseph. So let's go ahead. Stop sharing, Anton, muna for now. Okay, thank you. So this is booster number 1. Good luck to everybody.
Ayan na.
Ursanity, the great bird. Mamaya yan.
Kamusta yung Deadpool pala na ano? Puno na ba? Hindi pa?
Hindi pa. May isa pang natira, Pete.
Okay.
After nito,
Isang
pwede nang simulan yan. Back
Okay.
row, slot number 1, Larry. That's That's Urs.
That's for
Ano ba? Dalawa phone mo, no? Picture mo yung mapupul. Okay. Teka lang. Dito. Mr. Mind, Velociraptor, Green Lantern SR,
Uy.
Black Hawk, and Genie Hex?
Yes.
Genie Hex. Okay.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Ay, cheese ba to? Cheese ba? No. SR ba? Tanggal mo namin. Cheese ba? Hindi ako sigurado.
SR lang dapat yan.
Gold. SR. Okay. SR. SR. One moment.
Kalma, Jasper. Kalma lang.
Hindi ko pa kabisado yung set. Sorry. Sabog na kami ni Larry with all the walking and the expenses. Okay, you can see 3 Kongs on the table. While
Mainit ba dyan ngayon sa Singapore?
Super init. Next month is Formula 1 season. So
Good luck.
Okay, so Larry's gonna take a shot para we have the photo for the pool. Okay, number 2 is Jasper. Come on.
Correct, Jasper.
Later na lang.
Number
2, Jasper. Galingan mo. Oy, mabigat.
Utusan ba? Utusan?
Parang Marikina. Parang Marikina. Yon. Jasper, Superman, Batman.
Wow, I like your booster.
What? Superman again? Superboy. What else? Uy.
Supergirl.
Puro super. Okay, and booster gold. This is my booster. Okay. Hindi.
Galing naman. Super booster.
Super booster.
Booster number 3 is... Sino to, Anton? Number 3?
Ako. Me.
Hold on. Number 3, Pete.
Pete, good luck. Ano ba yun? Akala ko ultra chase na Superman eh.
Hindi, literal na super booster. 4 na super plus isang booster. Gold.
Apat na may kapa eh. Batman. Flash.
Flash.
Okay, let's see.
Galing, Flash.
Oh, Trick Arrow. And Deadman. You have a Trick Arrow. That's good.
Yep.
Okay. Picture mo siya kay Pete. Ay, ito rin pala sa akin. Yung order na lang, ganyan. Hindi, later on yun lang. Basta ma-order natin ng ano. Yan. Pinipicture na lang ni Larry para sorted out na. Okay, number 4 is Larry.
Number 4 is Larry.
Okay, good luck. May you get the man booster. Batman, Animal Man, Deadman. Puro man. Guys, meron pang
That's
Deadpool X 1 slot.
Isang slot na lang
Larry's
yun. Sige, ako na.
I like your
Ako na yun.
Superman.
Sino mo?
Ako na yun, Jasper.
Kukunin mo na?
Jasper, ako na yun.
Ba't hindi ko
After
magugulat?
this,
Baka maka-green man si Larry dito.
Rekta na tayo sa ano Deadpool Weapon X Batman, Soldier. Ano yun? Monkey and Red
Detective.
Arrow. What's the rare? Ito?
Bakit parang evolution?
Batman rare.
Batman.
Okay, take a picture. Okay. Bale, may ano tayo, pang trade. Because Larry likes Superman.
Hindi, favorite ko pa rin yung sa'yo, Jasper.
Oh,
Super booster.
Puro
Literal.
may kapa
4 na super, tsaka isang booster gold.
Number
Super
5
booster.
Number 5 is Onin. Onin, this is yours.
Nako.
You only
Onin
got
ang
one
swerte.
SR. Si Onin ata ang swerte siya lately.
Chase.
Let's see.
Teka.
Daxamite,
Daxamite.
Superman. Uy,
One with the
Chase?
name.
And, Etrigan, Prime.
Wow!
Rare Prime, Etrigan. Okay.
Nice.
Animal
Wow.
Man and Antro. Prehistoric. Okay, take a picture.
Okay.
Next
Okay na
one.
yan. Yung prime panalo dyan. Electrical prime pa rin.
Errol, you're next. Wait pa guys meron pa tayong draft ng Super Booster.
Paano yung draft yun?
Yung top 5, yun yung order ng draft.
Room service ba yun? Bakit palagi kayo may doorbell
Hindi.
dyan?
Hindi, yung sa Zoom.
Sa Zoom.
Sa Zoom. Pag may maano.
Yung service,
Paano gusto mong
dynamic
change?
things eh.
This is Errol. Kim.
Meron.
Sino to?
Yan.
Supernova.
Parang set yun
Time Trapper.
Supernova. Time Trapper. Batman.
Batman.
And Antro. Who's the rare? This one. This one is the rare. The Nighthawk rare. Okay. We only have one SR, so hopefully this 2 is 1 SR and 1 Chase. Wala pa tayong Chase.
Hala. May SR Giant
this
ba?
is Chito.
Nako, ito swerte
Are you
din.
here,
to si
Chito? There, Chito is here. Good luck, Chito. Uy.
Chase.
Bubble wrap. Sino yan?
Chase na yan. Ano ba yan?
Chase?
Batman.
Hindi, Batman na uncommon. Okay, next.
Uncommon yan?
Morgan Le Pen. Rare pa rin.
So, isang SR lang, tsaka
Sa
prime.
SR, so malamang SR to. Ang Chase nandito.
Dalawa?
Ewan ko, tingnan na. Pwede.
Ano nangyayari ba sa Giant Booster yung Chase? Talaga?
Minsan
Chases
nasa-
naman talaga sila, di ba?
Chases mismo yung dinosaur, pero minsan may kasama
Oo.
rin sila na small figure chase. This one,
Pero
last
1
one
SR
is
pa lang?
Joseph. Isang SR pa lang?
Oo nga eh.
Hindi, yung
May prime kasi na
May
rare.
prime.
May rare prime.
May rare prime
Prime na
kasi.
Etrigan.
Okay.
So, okay yan. Okay pa yan.
This is for
Joseph,
Joseph.
Raimundo.
Ganda.
Oy, si
Wow.
Hunter SR.
Rip Hunter.
Beast
Nice.
Boy.
Dinosaur,
Beast
and
Boy.
a soldier. Okay.
Okay.
Wait
so,
for
ito
a
na.
while.
Paano
Anton
to?
will,
Raffle time na.
Anton will share the screen once again, and I'm going to reiterate the mechanics for the raffle. We will roll a dice at 2d6, and then we will that will determine the order from 1 to 8, and then slots number 1 to 5 are the winners of the raffle, with 1
Shit.
being the first pick, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Parang malungkot si 5 to 8, no? Pero
Hindi,
okay lang.
6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 ang medyo malungkot.
Alaga.
Pero kasi there's only 5 items here. That's the thing. Okay.
Chef.
Okay.
Would you like us to open this first or muna, order?
Paano ba?
Wait,
Kayo?
the rest of you, speak up.
Kayo, bahala kayo.
Order muna, order daw
Order.
muna. Order.
Diyos
Okay,
ko.
sige.
Sige, rolling the dice right now. So, 2, di ba?
Okay.
Okay ko ba? Okay, wow,
Critical
snake
miss.
eyes. Oh my God.
Okay.
Sige, I'll go back with the original list or do I just use this one?
Yeah, the same lang. So, it should now be 9 times. Okay?
Bakit naging 9?
Hindi, kasi
7 plus 2.
7 plus 2.
I hate you guys. Well,
I hate the
wait.
fact na naintindihan ko yon. My God.
2.
2.
Hoy! Ay, sumobra.
Hindi,
Sabi mo,
hindi,
ah.
9 nga. Gets, o 9 nga.
Nako.
9 nga.
How do we
Wait,
deal
I'll go,
with this, guys?
I'll go back. You know what?
Go back,
I have,
go back.
Hindi,
because I have
ulitin
the
na lang
list
natin.
naman eh.
Ulitin
I
na
have
lang.
the list of the 8.
Ulitin na lang natin. Ano ba talaga?
9.
9. O, na 9. Yun na yun talaga.
Okay lang ba, guys?
Sino ba yung...
Ayun na yun eh.
We need confirmation from everyone. Okay lang, guys. We're gonna re-roll.
Yes.
Even
Go
if it's
na.
not kasi we still have the original, I have the order of the 8 earlier.
Okay. Yes, para suspense. Okay. Sorry for that. So we're gonna have the original list, Anton, no?
Original.
So I'll copy the original list. Hold on, I'll stop
Okay.
sharing first.
Okay. Anton will copy the original list and then we'll roll another 2d6 and then the 1 to 5 will be the order.
Okay.
Okay.
So roll it twice, Tama, no?
Roll it twice. Share screen, Anton. If
Teka lang, I'm putting your list.
Okay, yes, suspense, sabi ni Joseph. Guys, after this, diretso na tayo sa Deadpool Weapon X. At magpa-practice pa sila rin ng 3 unggoy.
Send me the list of the people for the Deadpool Weapon X.
I'm gonna send it to
Right.
you.
Sige,
Ah.
I'm sharing screen now.
Yeah. Pete, confirming ka sa
Yeah. Ako na para masimulan na yan at matapos na yan.
Okay, so ito I'll randomize this twice.
1-3, no? Yung kay Deadpool.
One, ano ba? Teka lang, let me check. 1-3, 1-3.
1-3.
Oh, okay.
So twice, diba? Twice lang i-randomize for this.
Yes,
Or
yes.
is it 9?
No. Roll another 2d6 na lang.
Oh,
Okay.
roll another 2.
Rolling another 2d6. Hold on, I'm going back. Kung ito mag-9 din. Oh, I hate you.
Critical miss and then critical hit, ha? Ano
I hate
ba?
you all so much.
Thank you, Anton. Okay, let's see. So it should be now be 12 times in the list. Okay, 1 to 5 in that order. There we
more.
go. Onin.
1 to 5 in this
Onin
order.
is number 1.
Joseph.
Number 2. Chito, Errol,
Chito.
and Pete. Naku, Larry,
And
sabi
Pete.
tayo. 7-8 tayo. Okay, so, Onin, are you here? Onin is not here. I will pick on behalf of Onin. Okay, most likely dinosaur. Come on, open it, Larry. Most likely dinosaur ang kukunin ni Onin.
Hindi, yung ano,
First pick eh.
legacy.
Legacy card.
Chances are that's the chase.
Yeah, but let's hope that there are 2 chases here. Sino? Uy, Superman?
Hindi.
Flash yan.
Flash?
Flash.
Okay.
Wow.
And a Prime. There's a Prime here also, rare Prime. So Onin will probably choose the dinosaur.
Okay.
So set aside ko na kay Onin. Joseph, what are you gonna choose? Let's open pala the legacy kasi this is also an option.
Uy, Prime.
Pero most likely,
Reverse.
Joseph, are you choosing the Prime? There's a Prime here. Joseph. Prime for me, for Joseph. Okay. Who else? Who's next? Chito.
Ken, yung chase yung dinosaur.
Chito. This is the legacy card. Chito.
Saturn Girl, medyo may...
Chito, are you here? What are you gonna choose? This one the legacy or the team up card for Cinnamon?
Alam mo, ang team up card na yung pinakamaganda dyan.
Hypersonic
Kung may
speed.
cinnamon
Actually,
ka.
Saturn Girls not so bad.
Yeah, Saturn Girls is also good.
I'm pretty
Kung
sure
meron
you still
ka.
have.
Kung
Oh.
meron. Ah,
Sa
Ken,
dami nung kinuha na natin Losh dati,
Parang-
wala ka niyan.
parang walang chase Ken, pero ang chase yung dinosaur. Almost chase naman
Yung
sila.
dinosaur
Okay.
yung Chase.
Pero kasi
Chase
yung iba
yan.
kasi yung iba kasing Brick Anton, meron pang chase na maliit. In this case, wala. Kasi may prime tayo na Etrigan.
Okay na rin yan.
Okay na rin, may prime na Etrigan. Okay. Who's next? Chito, can you speak up? Chito?
Kung ano yung maganda dyan, hello sa akin. Wala akong idea.
I'll probably choose for you Legacy na lang, Saturn Girl. Okay lang?
Yes.
Okay lang.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Chito. Next one is
Ken.
Errol. Errol, which one? The team up card or the character?
Or the Caesar.
Naka-live ako sa dahil.
Or the
Team up-
Scissor?
Ano yung, sino yung character?
Si
Ano yun, di ba?
League Assassin.
Ninja ba
League
yun?
Assassin.
Yeah.
Team up card?
Okay. Sige, team up card.
card.
May-
Okay.
Thank you.
And League Assassin goes to
Pete.
Pete, League Assassin. Okay, so thank you very much for our
Yes,
DC
thank
Masters of
you.
Time participants. We're gonna jump into the Deadpool Weapon X. Okay, Anton, did you see the list?
Have you sent it?
Yeah, I said it
Hold
in
on.
the chat.
Checking now.
Tas number 10 si Pete daw. At least naka-ano si
Oh, guys,
Masters of Time pala yung
um,
nasend mo sa akin.
duplicate, di ba?
Yung, okay na tayo sa Masters of
Hindi.
Time?
Okay na tayo sa Masters of Time, guys. We're moving into the Deadpool Weapon X. We'll take a picture of all your pools, guys.
Thank you
Thank you
again.
very much, guys, for the support.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Alright, sige,
Okay.
just a moment. Going back.
Okay, I chat again the list.
Yeah, I saw it. Nakita ko naman.
Okay, thank you. Ano ba? I'm so hyper at this time.
It's the one with Ken, with Pete, with
Yeah.
Heinz, diba? Tapos,
Heinz, yeah. JV,
dalawang kay Kennard,
Kennard, yeah.
isa kay Knight, one kay Joey,
Oo.
one JV, two for and tapos one for
40
you.
points sa hypersonic.
The character. Precision.
Alright, sige.
Flurry pa ata to? When you said
You're still recording, guys, ha?
Yeah. It's okay. I'm just gonna cut na lang the video. Because Larry is examining the meta pieces for Masters of Time. Di ba?
Lar, ingat ka sa build mo. If you play against anyone that has higher than 50, Kong won't be as effective.
Yeah. Ba? Lakas, 40 points.
Pero tingnan mo, may Khonshu. Shucks.
Ano yan?
Okay, well, just waiting for the others. Taka lang, courtesy. Sabihin ko yung iba. Ken is here. Pete is here. Who else? Legna. Why is Legna not here?
That's K. K is rarely ever on time.
We are in Zoom. Si JB din, no? Hindi na siya.
Si JV said go ahead na lang.
Go ahead.
I'll-
Si Joey. We are
Joey
in-
tapos si Knight.
we are in Zoom. And Percival, we are in Zoom.
Chances are, if it comes to Knight, you'll have to just pangit yung net signal niya in previous meetings. So like, previous breaks, diba?
Sina?
Si Knight.
Si Knight? Okay. Don't worry.
Hindi,
Everything's-
I remember from before. Yung net
everything's
niyo is
recorded
surprisingly
naman.
good considering you're on mobile.
Everything's
Singapore
recorded naman,
talaga,
guys. So it should be fair. Anton, just share lang if you're ready.
So we have a quorum. Okay, hold on.
Pero isang SR lang. Ito pala yung sabi. Ito pala yung booster ko, puro Superman. Ano ba booster mo
Uy,
dyan?
pero yung team mo, if that were a sealed, malakas yan, ha?
Oo nga. Kryptonians, keyword.
Malakas yan.
Pang seal. Alam niyo ba, pangatlong Supergirl ko
Underestimate
na
that at your own risk.
Pangatlong Supergirl ko na yan. Ano ba?
Uy, bili ng bili.
Ilan lang ang Masters of Time natin. Sipin mo, konti lang, nakatatlong Supergirl pa ako. Ibig sabihin, palagi na lang Supergirl na kukuha ko.
It would have been nice if one of you pulled the Ultra Chase.
Hindi ko nga alam ba't may espada yung Supergirl na yan eh.
Is
Ano?
that from yung storyline na parang House of Krypton or House of L?
Yeah, parang ganun.
Yung medieval na ewan.
Teka lang ha. Sige lang, I'm checking Facebook chat.
You have 8
hello,
participants in the
Aditya
call. You have Ken, you have Knight, you have Sandy, Larry, Pete, Ruben,
Anton,
and yourself.
Anton, do you have the list of the orders from earlier?
Yes, I do. Jasper, Kay, Jasper, dalawang Legna.
And
Fourth
then
is
yung ano
JV.
from the Masters of Time.
Yeah, it's still here sa chat.
Masters of Time, not Legna. Yung
Yeah. Nandito
ito.
sa chat. It's still there. I also transferred both naman eh.
Ito, Jasper, Pete, Larry, no?
Yung
okay.
first was yung kay Onin, Chito, Errol, Pete. This is the one for the 5. Prior to that, I also put the other one, Jasper, Pete.
Okay. Jasper, Pete. Okay. Para lang I have a reference, quick reference later. Okay, and the order for the raffle was Onin, Joseph, Chito. Okay. Don't worry, we have the recording.
Saved it as well, just in case.
Okay, we're okay na, Anton?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
I have a copy of the chat as well in case you need it.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. We are going to do a break again of Marvel HeroClix Deadpool Weapon X. Okay, and as always, Larry will be our official break breaker, and Anton technical support for this activity. On the screen, you see we're gonna roll 2d6 and we're gonna randomize the list. You can see here slots 1 to 5 will be the back, 6 to 10 will be the front, and then we'll raffle off the legacy and one gingerbread man, surfing gingerbread man. Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay, rolling the d6 at 2d6. Uy, 3. Huh.
Extremes yung mga ano mo ngayon, Anton. 1, 2, critical.
So for 3,
Okay.
First one, second, and third. Heinz is number 1, Kennard, Legna, Jasper, Joey,
3-1.
Knight, Legna, Pete, JV, and then Ken.
Okay.
Copying this list to your chat. I'm
Please.
stopping share.
Okay, please take note of your slots in the chat. Number... Okay, nasa na yan? Wala pa. Okay, number 1 is Heinz. Good luck, Heinz. Are you here? Heinz not here.
Wala si Heinz.
Okay lang number ako.
Pete, you are number 8.
Heinz. Uy.
Ha?
Domino.
Be?
Makaparehas to ng ano mo.
Domino agad ah. Grabe.
Heinz
Domino SR.
I-order na lang natin.
Si Heinz.
Number 2 is...
Number 2, Kennard.
Kennard. Naging official unboxer.
Question yan sa case eh.
O, tingnan nyo na lang expression ni Larry kung maganda. Uy. Sino yun? Si
Colossus Rare.
Ay, natumba siya. Colossus Rare, Kennard.
Bakit may itlog? Yung ipis.
Breaker.
Try na lang sa isang letra lang.
Timebreaker. Okay.
Kita ko na lang yung bago.
Number 3.
Number 3, si K. Legna.
Legna, are you here? KL?
Legna, this is DC, ha?
The lucky one. Also known as the lucky one.
With this guy's luck,
Yeah.
Si Chris.
Jasper, it might just be
Grabe.
what you're looking for.
If this is the case of, similar to the case of Larry, baka may super rare prime to. Uy!
Grabe,
Edna.
wala na.
Ay,
Ay.
Panda Pool.
Panda pool.
Ba't ang daming sirang ano? It's a Deadpool pack. All Deadpool. I think Legna will like this one. All
Literally,
Deadpool pack
Deadpool.
for K.
Pati yung isang Deadpool na deads na.
Dead na.
Ito
Number
naman,
4 is Jasper.
nag-regenerate siya.
Come on,
Jasper.
Come on,
Maganda yung
Larry.
pwesto.
Come on.
Wala
Super
dyan si
Rare
Pretty Boy Deadpool
Super
ba?
Rare Prime, Larry. Ay, oh, man.
Oh, wala. Sinira yung booster.
Sinira. Oy. 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 Rare.
Who's that?
Rare
Prime.
Rogue.
A rare
It's
log.
not Rare Prime.
Rare.
Rare Rogue. Okay. This is mine. Next one is
Ay,
Joey.
Joey.
There might be a prime rogue here, ah.
Di baka ano to? Super Rare Prime na ano?
Deadpool, na Domino.
Domino.
Uy, gusto ko ng box, please. Kahit box na lang
Domino
kasi
na
na.
Super Rare Prime to. Parang similar kay Larry. Ay, spoiler. Ano ba?
5. Kay
Oh,
Joey.
Professor X din,
Professor X.
Professor X SR. Oh my, somebody's gonna get a Domino Prime. Okay.
Nice booster.
This is for
Okay.
Perfect. This is Joey.
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 Huwag mo na lagay, men.
Uy, Professor X kay Joey.
O Professor X. Pero ganyan din yung collation kanina yung binuksan namin. Knight, number 6. So, possibly Domino Prime. Possibly Domino Prime, guys.
So walang chase yun pag may Domino Prime.
Kanina, wala.
So
Ayun
far, wala,
lang.
Ken.
Wala. This is for Knight, number 6. Oh, yung Psylocke din, oh.
Pati to.
Kapatid-pati si Atlas Bear. Psylocke and Atlas Bear for Knight.
Wait, wala
Uy,
pa yung SR?
This
Isa
is
pa
the
lang.
SR misprint to... It's a rare pero misprint.
Rare lang yan.
Misprint.
Wala pang
Pero
SR.
in fairness,
Meron
pero
ng
in fairness,
SR
maganda-
si Domino. Domino SR.
pero
Okay,
in fairness,
so
pero in fairness, maganda yung Psylocke, ha?
May SR na rin na Professor X.
Professor X, dalawa na.
Ay, okay. Right.
Oo.
So,
Who's
this
number
one
7?
is...
Pero most likely,
K.
ano to, Lars?
Legna.
Ano yung nakita natin last time? Legna.
Ha?
Most likely, ano to? Domino Prime to.
Kanina to.
K.
KL. Good luck.
DC to, DC.
DC.
Pag
DC.
Nice
Batman.
luck, oh. You might just pull a Phoenix.
Superman.
Oy! Deadpool and Death!
Huh?
Deadpool and Death! KL for you! You're
Grabe.
getting a
Chase?
Deadpool and
Yes,
Death
yes, that's a chase.
Okay. Iba.
Grabe naman.
Okay, grabe.
Grabe. Talaga si K talaga pag
Si
pinagpala.
KL
ng klase.
talaga. Puro Deadpool na kuha. Deadpool.
Ay.
Ah?
Basta pag
Pete.
si K ang pagkasama mo
You're
si K
next.
sa isang brick, yeah, I know.
Don't
I'm
give up
not-
yet.
I'm not holding my breath.
Who's this? Who's next?
Pete.
Me.
Dumaples.
Grabe. By one.
By one. Pete. Oh, ano? Oops. Pwede pa. Shatterstar na rare?
Uy.
Oy. Banshee. Super rare.
Banshee. SR.
Banshee, super
Okay na.
rare. One rare and one super rare. And a die.
Yay, pwede na.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Good.
I'll take it.
Maganda yung Banshee.
I'll
Okay, pasok
take it.
Next is JV.
Okay.
Force Plus.
Buti na lang. I'll take it.
Mamaya mo basahin. Pinabasa na ni Larry.
JV.
JV and Kennard. JV first, then Kennard last. Oh, iba
Baka may
yung
prime.
Iba yung ano, iba yung brick. Iba yung brick. Kala ko ano yung parehas ng brick kay
Not
Larry.
impossible.
Grabe talaga si K. Ang lakas niya sa chase. My God.
My God. Ako naman, ano ba ako? Okay. Ano yan?
Patch.
Prime?
Wolverine.
Beast.
Ano yan?
Wolverine, Beast.
Beast rare. Is that a
Ano yung
dice?
dice?
And yellow die.
Okay.
It's just one
Rare
of those
beast.
that comes with it.
Yeah, regular die na yellow. And the last one is
Kennard.
Are we
Baka may prime pa yan.
Baka may prime pa. Possibly may prime. Prime Colossus, please.
Considering
Rogue.
Ken's luck, don't be surprised.
Or
And then we'll
Rogue,
raffle
diba?
pa Legacy card and Gingerbread Man, Surfman. Uy.
Ano yan?
Sabertooth.
Sabertooth.
Sabertooth
Okay.
rare.
Silver Fox.
Sabertooth. Silver Fox.
Okay.
Okay. Anton, we can do the top. Ano na lang? The first and last. May iba naman. Okay. Anton will
What?
share the screen.
First and last.
Yeah. And then in the list. So we will roll 2d6. Leg na on the way. Wala na.
Sige,
Tapos na.
rolling
Wala
a
na.
2d6.
2d6 and then
4.
4 and then whoever is on number 1 will get the legacy card. Whoever is number 10 will get the surfing gingerbread man.
Okay.
Do I still use the same list that I have here, or do I
Same
get
list.
the
Yan na lang,
original
same
one?
list na lang, same list na lang.
Same list. Sige,
Ah,
rolling
4.
4 times. Randomizing 4 times.
Yeah.
Saan yung dapat ibibigay mo dati na hindi mo binigay last?
Ayun pala kasama, hindi tayo nakakuha ng ng bounty.
4. Number 1 is Pete.
Number 1 is Pete,
Yay!
the legacy. Kennard, you get the gingerbread man, surfing gingerbread
Yay.
man.
Hindi ko na kailangan yung gingerbread. So, okay lang yun. Sa kanya rin.
I'll stop sharing now.
Okay, Pete,
Ay, nagupit.
nagupit.
Shit.
I
Oops,
wonder.
yun.
Oy.
Oy. Oh!
Why is it
Okay
always that?
Wolverine and X-23.
Always. But, okay. it's
Always
fine.
that.
That's a good legacy card. Okay. So, again,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, Anton and Larry. We're gonna wrap up
Salamat.
thing, and then I'll give you guys your items. We can ship by Monday. Best luck, guys.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Good luck tomorrow. Good luck tomorrow.
Hey,
I've saved a copy of the chat.
Leg na ba yan? Wala na. Okay.
Sige. Bye,
No worries,
everyone.
guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Early day for us tomorrow.